Hey Benny, are you learning to pull yourself up? Ben! Benny! Oh yeah. Oh look, what's Ben doing? Hi! Hi Benny! Are you reaching over the side? Go Lashla. Hey Benny! Hi gorgeous! What are you up to? Oh hi Riley, what are you doing? Splash, splash, splash. Hi! Are you drinking water? You can lie down on your back now, can't you?
No.
Yes you can. Hi! Oh, look at you, Ben. Can you, oh, we don't want to get that on there. Can we go like this? Ben. Oh, what happened? What happened? Oh. Oh. Oh, lots of water.
Mama.
Yes, Riley. Oh, you're lying down on your back. That's very clever. It's taking a lot to learn that, hasn't it? Not so scary now. Oh. Oh. Right, we got the back of your head wet. There we go, there it is. Do you see the edge there? That's the edge of your head. And there's the scar on the top. And that's what it looks like. So we've just got a little bit of a, you see that? It just dents out a bit. That's Benny's head. And there's the spring. You can see it under his hair, just there. Okay. And that's just the back where his bones are starting to move. See? Oh, there you can see it. There's one, there's the other. You can't really see it unless it's wet because all your curls cover it up. Hey Riley.
No.
Right, do you want to, you seen the haka? Oh, Ben's standing up.